Are you wondering if you can replace your own window blinds? Well, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge you need to confidently install any blinds of your choice. So let's get started. Begin by measuring your window opening to ensure that you get the correct size blinds. First, measure the height from top to bottom in the middle of the window. If you have a double window like us, measure each side. Next, take a horizontal measurement on the top, middle, and the bottom of the window. This is necessary to ensure that the window opening is not bowed or tapered, which could interfere with the operation of your blinds. After selecting your preferred style of blinds, open the packaging and physically measure the blinds against the opening of your window to ensure they fit as planned before proceeding. You do not want to go through the hardware installation process only to discover the blinds you purchased do not fit the window opening as expected. Let's move on to the hardware installation. Place the brackets in the desired location along the top of the window opening. Remember to leave a few inches on each side of the window. Ensure that both brackets are aligned. The longer side of the L-shaped bracket should be against the top of the window opening. Insert the screw into the oval opening between the two springs and fasten it to the top of the window, making sure to hit the header. This is why we upgraded to the 2.5-inch screws. With the brackets installed, let's pop on the blinds and see how they look. Grab the shades and tilt the headrail slightly so that the front edge of the bracket is under the headrail's inner front edge. Push the headrail upward until the release tab at the bottom of each bracket snaps onto the back of the headrail, making a snapping sound. This indicates that the shade is locked into the bracket. Examine each bracket carefully to ensure that it is securely fastened. The final step is to pop on the little handles on the top and bottom rails to use for drawing the blinds open and shut. But our story doesn't end here. During my test of the opening and closing of the blinds, I discovered that the left side of the shades is a bit wobbly. I suspect the screw did not get good grip on the header. If you run into this situation, all you have to do is pop off the shade by pressing on the top rail and releasing the back clip at each bracket. Move the shade out of the way, remove the screw holding the bracket in place, and relocate it a few inches over. Pop the shade back on and you're all set. Now repeat the same steps on the other side of the window to install the second shade. You can see for yourself how easy this was. We chose the Arlo Blinds because they are extremely simple to install. Plus my mother-in-law whose place this is thought they looked great, and you gotta keep the boss happy. Big thanks to her for being my biggest fan and watching all of my videos. Show her some love by giving her a thumbs up at the bottom of this video. Just to be clear, this video is not sponsored. We just really like the Arlo Blinds. If you want to pick up a set for your home, we have an Amazon link in the description below, where we do earn a small commission if you buy it from Amazon. Remember, your support and engagement means the world to us. We appreciate every comment, like, and share as they help us grow and continue to provide this helpful content. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. Please leave your feedback or questions in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be there for the next one. If you want to see more of our renovation, here are the videos you should watch next. Take care of yourself, your family, and have a great day.
Thank you.